thinking about cutting the cord but not sure if you should go with YouTube TV or Hulu Live TV. They're both top choices for live streaming, but they're definitely not the same. Today, we're breaking it down: features, channels, pricing, and which one might be better for you. Both YouTube TV and Hulu Live TV give you live channels, cloud DVR, and on demand content. They're priced pretty close, around $70 to $80 a month, but the differences come down to content, usability, and what kind of viewer you are. YouTube TV's layout is super smooth. It's fast, simple, and feels a lot like regular cable. Record as much as you want, and it stores for 9 months. No extra fees, that's a huge win. And if you're into live sports, YouTube TV includes big channels like ESPN, Fox Sports, NBA TV, and even some regional networks. You get Hulu's full streaming library plus live TV. That means hit shows, originals like The Handmaid's Tale, and next day episodes from major networks. The plan includes Disney Plus and ESPN Plus and no extra charge. Great for families and Marvel or Star Wars fans. Hulu offers better profile control for families and a more personalized experience across its entire library. YouTube TV Con. Its on demand options are weaker compared to Hulu. You're mostly using it for live channels and DVR. And Hulu's Con, clunky interface. The Hulu app is, well, a bit messy. It's not as easy to navigate, especially for live content. And both are pricey. Once you add premium channels or 4K upgrades, you could be pushing $100 a month. So, which one wins? Go with YouTube TV if you want a true cable replacement with awesome DVR and sports. And pick Hulu Plus Live TV if you want live channels plus a giant streaming library and the Disney Plus bundle. Either way, you're getting way more freedom than cable. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!